Good morning. Today I'm going to speak about the machine. Come closer. So you can machine has two panel, the screen, the main screen, and the some icon screen for selection of different functions. So usually we start by pressing on patient and to enter the record of the patient. The keyboard, when you see the patient panel, the secondary panel will be like the keyboard. So let's start with entering baby of, come closer to this, baby of Wahida, right?
Baby girl of Wahida.
Wahida. Okay. So if we press, by this, there is a, you can go here, here. So you can see this is the mouse, and you can see the cursor. So this is the enter, go here. You see this is the enter. So let's start with entering infant, the first name. And then from here we can move. And once we move over that, so move between this one, I think. When you move the cursor, you press enter, and then you enter the patient ID, which is 401
11
1128
228.
2281. Okay, and the date of birth was 17.
Yes.
17 December 2020, and the baby is baby girl. The weight is
750.
750. We shift the weight to metric, so we'll do enter 0.75. Once we finish, we can enter other data. Okay, so it's pediatric echo, not adult. Okay, and then you press done. Once you press done, this panel will change. So you can have these type of probes that is attached to the machine. You can review the patient, you can get the report, you can go to the keyboard, you can see the report if you want, the report of the patient. Okay, you can go back to the patient. Okay, and you can go to the review, and you can go to the patient. Okay, so you go back to the patient. Once you're done, you get this selection. So first you will select the probe that we will use, which is this probe, which is a sector probe, S8 or 3 to 8. So we select this as 3 to 8. And then will tell us is it pediatric or adult, and then you go for adult. And you can see these buttons that you can dial reflect the function. So usually these function change. So you can see this M mode. This is the compress. This is the output and 2D. This is the tissue Doppler. This is the loop length, so 2 beats or 8 seconds or whatever. And then you can change it to 7 seconds or 5 seconds. Okay, and you can see this is 2D, this is pulse wave, this is color wave. This is color, this is continuous. You can see measurement here, you can label from here, you can erase, you can change the pointer if you don't see it. And here is the enter, you can erase, you can acquire, and you can do smart scan or intelligence scan. You can do zoom, you can do depth, you can have second acquire, and you can focus. So 3 knobs. And these usually change with the change of the scan. So, and you can see that here now 2D views, and displays the name. And then you can see also there is local dialysis, so you can change them if you want. You can turn it off from here, and you can use the, so we take that probe, and usually we hold this first. So you can see the marker in here. represent this markers on the marker here represent this marker, and this how we hold. We hold it by pens and leave the three fingers to control the baby. So once we start the scanning, we do like this. We rest our finger and this is how we scan. You can see that, holding this and resting that so we don't press on the baby. So first we use the gel. Okay. When you use the gel, try to make it a little bit hot for a period of time. Warm it up so the baby didn't get discomfort. And usually I start by here. I usually start by apical view, and the apical view I go like this, and again holding it by two and resting the hand so I don't press on the baby, and then I continue my scanning. Thank you very much. You can stop.